Welcome everyone. Today I will be discussing Module 3 University questions, Model University questions. So you have to revise this for the coming exam. Okay, so let's go to the problem number 1. Problem number 1, it is asked in a single phase AC circuit, the impedance means Z is equal to 10 ohm. RMS value of voltage is 230. Write down the expression for instantaneous voltage. Second part, if the current lags the applied voltage by 30, write down the expression for current. And the third part, calculate the power in the circuit. So the solution is, you can see here, given impedance is given, Z is equal to 10 ohm, RMS is equal to 230 volt. So we know that the equation for instantaneous voltage, whatever be the type of circuit, the equation for instantaneous voltage V is equal to Vm sin omega t. Vm Vm is Vrms into root 2. That is written in the next step. So that is equal to Vrms is 230. So 230 into root 2 sin omega t, which is equal to 325.27. 230 into root 2 is 325.27 sin omega t. Next is expression for instantaneous current. Here you are given, you can see here, you are given here a sentence that the current lags the applied voltage by 30 degree. Appo current voltage nil 30 degree lag cheyunu. So you know that phi is between 0 and 90. A current lag cheyyunnathu. So you should know that in an RL circuit, current lags voltage by phi, where phi is less than 90. Appam expression for instantaneous current is, you can see here, since the hint is given current lags by 30 degree, we should know it is RL circuit. So I is equal to Im sin omega t minus phi. I is equal to, Im can be written as Irms into root 2 sin omega t minus 30. Phi is 30 degree. I is equal to Irms can be written as Vrms by Z into root 2 sin omega t minus 30 degree. I is equal to Vrms is 230 divided by Z is given as 10 into root 2 sin omega t minus 30 degree. So 230 by 10 into root 2. So you get the answer here. So here the answer is actually 32.5, okay, is 325, sorry, that is 32.552 sin omega t minus 30. So you have got the expression for current. Now last step is power consumed is equal to Vrms Irms cos phi. So that is equal to 23 into Irms is Vrms by Z, that is 230 by 10, that is 23. So 230 into 23 into cos 30 degree. So that is equal to 4581.2 watts. Okay. Now the problem number 2. That is a RL circuit. A resistance of 5 ohm and an inductor of 15 millihenry. MH means Henry are connected in series across a 230 volt 50 Hz single phase supply. You have to calculate the current, power factor, power consumed. That's the first part. Second part is, what is a capacitor to be added in series with this combination so as to improve the power factor to 0.9? So you can see the solution. Now in the figure you can see here, you are given a RL circuit in series with RL in series connected across 230 volt 50 Hz. You can write the step, you can see here, resistance 5 ohm, inductor is equal to 15 mH, that is L is given, Vrms is given as 230. First part current Irms is again the same equation, Vrms by Z is equal to 230 by Z. Now Z kandupidikkanam, annale Irms kittu. Z is equal to, for an RL circuit, what is Z? Z is equal to root of R square plus XL square. But what is XL? That's the next question. XL is not directly given. So XL is equal to 2 pi FL. That is equal to 2 pi. F is frequency, which is given as 50 into L. You have to substitute as 15 into 10 raised to minus 3 because that is milli. But XL you will be getting as 4.71 ohm. Now therefore substituting R as 5 and XL as 4.75, impedance Z is equal to square root of R square plus XL square, that is square root of 4.71 square and 5 square. So Z is equal to 6.86 ohm. Therefore, what is IRMS? IRMS is equal to VRMS by Z. Z now you got a 6.86. So 230 by 6.86 is equal to 33.5 ampere. Now the next part of the question is power factor cos phi. We should know the equation. Cos phi is equal to R by Z, which is equal to 5 by 6.86, which is equal to 0.728 lag. Lag എന്ന് പറയാൻ കാര്യം ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ പറഞ്ഞിട്ടുണ്ട് RL സർക്യൂട്ടിൽ it is always lagging. Phi is less than 90 degree. Now the last step, power consumed is equal to VRMS IRMS cos phi, which is equal to 230 into IRMS, that is 33.5 into cos phi is 0.728, which is equal to 5609.2 watts. Now the next part is ഈ ആറിൻ്റെ കൂടെ നമ്മളൊരു കപ്പാസിറ്റർ കൂടെ വെക്കുവാണ്. അപ്പം ഇൻഡക്റ്റീവ് എഫക്റ്റിൻ്റെ നേരെ ഓപ്പോസിറ്റാണ് കപ്പാസിറ്റി എഫക്റ്റ്. അപ്പോൾ യു നൗ ഹാവ് ടു ഇൻസേർട്ട് എ കപ്പാസിറ്റർ ടു ദിസ് സർക്യൂട്ട്. സോ സീരീസ് ആർ എൽ സർക്യൂട്ട് ബിക്കംസ് RLC സർക്യൂട്ട്. അങ്ങനെ നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യുമ്പം നമുക്ക് പവർ ഫാക്ടർ എന്നാ കിട്ടണം? പുതിയ പവർ ഫാക്ടർ 0.9 കിട്ടും. സോ യു ക്യാൻ സീ ഹിയർ ന്യൂ പവർ ഫാക്ടർ ആഫ്റ്റർ ഇൻസേർഷൻ ഓഫ് കപ്പാസിറ്റർ ഷുഡ് ബി 0.9. സോ ലെറ്റ് us take that cos phi new എന്ന് കൊടുക്കുക. ദാറ്റ് ഷുഡ് ബി ഈക്വൽ ടു 0.9 is equal to R by Z ആണ് നമ്മൾ നോർമലി എഴുതുന്നത്. സോ Z is actually depending on R, L and C. There is no change for R here. C is inserted. So Z becomes, the old Z now changes to Z new because of the insertion of capacitor. So Z new is equal to root of RLC circuit. When you learn the derivation, you can see for an RLC circuit you have square root of R square plus XC minus XL the whole square. Now here you can take it as either XL minus XC or XC minus XL, but I am taking XC minus XL because the power factor is improved എന്നാണ് പറഞ്ഞത്. പവർ ഫാക്ടർ ഇമ്പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യാന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ അതിനർത്ഥം കപ്പാസിറ്റി എഫക്റ്റ് കൂടുതലാണെന്നാണ് അതിൻ്റെ മീനിങ്. പവർ ഫാക്ടർ ഇമ്പ്രൂവ്, അപ്പോൾ കപ്പാസിറ്റി എഫക്റ്റ് കൂടുതലാണ്, യു ഷുഡ് സബ്സ്റ്റിറ്റ്യൂട്ട് ആസ് XC മൈനസ് XL. ഇൻഡക്റ്റീവ് എഫക്റ്റ് കൂടുതലാണെങ്കിൽ XL മൈനസ് XC. So Z new is equal to, next step, root of R is 5. 5 square is 25 plus XC minus XL, 4.71 the whole square. Okay. So Z new is equal to square root of 25 plus XC minus 4.71 the whole square. Now, what I am going to do is, now we know the value of Z, we have to find the value of Z new. What is Z new? Left side the value is, we know that cos phi new is equal to R by Z new is equal to 0.9. We know the value of R is 5. So from this step, cos phi new is equal to R by Z new equal to 0.9. Substituting R is equal to 5, you can find Z new. The value of Z new is, you can find out the value of Z new. So here you can write squaring both sides. These two sides, when you take the square, you will be 25 plus XC minus 4.71 the whole square is equal to Z new square. Z new square, previous step in Z new ittum ainte square edukka. So that is XC minus 4.71 the whole square is equal to, square out of it, whole square is equal to this. Solving you will be getting XC is equal to 7.13. Now what is XC? XC is equal to 1 by omega C, which is equal to 1 by 2 pi FC. So you can find C from that. C is equal to 4.46 into 10 raised to minus 4 farads. Okay, thank you.